What up, Mo?
What up?
You know it's your girl, KC.
Oh, hey.
I've been thinking about this guy I really feel a lot, and
Yeah?
everything that he's been through, I just want him to trust me.
He should.
I'll never hurt him, but,
But what?
you know,
Look, if he loves you, he need to show you that he loves you.
I just feel like
let me be the one who can take you from all the things you've seen. And if you trust in me, I can be there for anything you need. Give it all to me, baby. Don't you run from me, baby. I'll give you every little piece of me. No, I won't leave out a thing, 'cause I know you've seen a lot of things in your life. Got you feeling like this can't be right, but I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I know you've seen a lot of things in your life. Got you feeling like this.
It's DJ Ken Turkey, babe.
This DJ is not yet rated.
You are now listening to Super. Kenny Wonder.
More music at NigerLoaded.com.
How many times I got to let you know? The things you do to me, I cannot let you go. How many times I got to let you know? The way you do me, girl, I cannot let you go. Honey, girl, you are killing me. Sweetie mo, girl, you are killing me. How many times I need to let you know? The things you do, I cannot let you go. Baby, how many times I got to let you know? The way you do me, girl, my love doesn't overflow. Killing my heart, oh. You making me think like oh no other. You killing my heart, oh. You making me feel like love no other. You in my heart, oh. Every time I dance with you, girl, you feel like my heart, oh. Every night and day I sing, honey, yeah. You are killing me, sweetie love. Girl, you are killing me, oh yeah. How many times?
She's my wife. Nice. I love her. This is Mr. Hamson.
Yeah, this is.
This is so nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you. I love you. Whoa, thank you, Massimo. Obrigado, gracias. Dankeschön, medase, asante sana. Ndatenda, siyabonga.